See me far away, Shabada. Tell me what you saw. I will show you what I have, because I have myself. Oh, then think say na defense. Oh, make you watch my back. Now wait till you they see, yeah. Unless you have the sense, you go learn to pretend. Do not run away. Kind of sober than you. That is why I say. That is why I say. That is why I talk. That is why I say. That is why I say. That is why I am. Ohaneze Ndibo, how una dey? I don't come to speak my mind with no delay. Let them know, no say una eyes clear about una way. Watch out, many things they happen in that country you dey. So some people trouble upon people every day. Even when you dey, you go talk say you know dey. I need to understand why this one apart. I need to understand why this truth apart. The promise that we got and nationalize. The promise we will live and no complaints. Watch me far away. Watch me far away. See me far away. See me far away. Tell me what you saw. I will show you what I have, because I have myself. Oh, then think say na defense. Oh, make you watch my back. Now wait till you they see, yeah. Unless you have the sense, oh, you go learn to pretend. Oh, do not run away. Kind of sober than you. That is why I say. That is why I say. That is why I talk. That is why I say. That is why I say. That is why I am.
My people, good day, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are watching from. Actually, I'm just starting earlier today because somebody called me from the eastern part of Nigeria. He got my number through somebody or by himself. A man of over 50 years. This man was crying on the phone, crying to me that we should do something, that these guys want to kill them all. And I made him to understand that I am not the only one that will listen to that call, that he should drop. I will call him back. He said, my brother, even though it left for him to spend the last card that he has to make sure that the world hear his voice, he will stay on this phone and talk to me as long as he wishes. I begged him, made him to understand that I got to set things up to make sure that I will come live to televise what is going on. So I will call him in, my people. Please invite others to join. Let's listen to what is happening back in Nigeria, in Eastern region, especially in his own state, Abia State. Very bad news is coming back from there. Very bad news is flying out from that place. Please, my people, let's listen very attentively to hear what this man got to share with us. I wasn't in Africa. All of us are outside Nigeria. hearing news about Operation Cobra Dance, Operation Python Dance, Operation Crocodile, whatever. All we are doing here is speculation, but now the people from the right source, where the things is happening, are now calling in, demanding for help. We should help to press Nigerian government for them to withdraw their military, that they are killing them every day. The Nigerian news is not carrying these things. Nobody is reporting about what is happening. All the news agencies in Nigeria have went mute. Only they are reporting fake news, talking about Nnamdi Kanu, writing about Nnamdi Kanu, telling you where he hid, where he went to, while it is said it was the military that visited his place before nobody can hear from him any longer. So my people, the cry of our people is now flying out. I am nobody. My duty is only to give the unvoiced people voice to talk to their people around the world. God bless you as you're listening to him. Let me get him online, and you may also write your own questions if you would like to ask him something. You may write your questions, ask him whatever you want, because I'm really shocked because of the cry the man is crying to me. Let me call him. Hello? 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 You have a pick the call? Well, let's continue first of all, and I will get him online as soon as possible. Well, anyhow, how things is moving now is very sad. We thought that as the military have arrested Nnamdi Kanu, as the military have raided his compound, kidnapped the father and the entire family, I thought that they will mellow down on the way they are stepping on their citizens. You know, today is 2nd October. People are still dying. You feel me? Hold on, let me call him again. Let me see whether I will get him online. I don't know, maybe he's busy, or the network, as we know that African network, the food will be ringing while we think that the person is getting the ringing tone. Nothing is happening. Igbo governors is not going to be well. The generation about they are doing for, yeah, it will not be well with them, my brother, because even the man maybe to understand that the thing that pains him the more is that Ojo Zokalo was praising the activities of the military. You know, Do you know what touches me the most? This man said that he doesn't have money to send his kids to school. not to buy whatever, that I should give him account where he will pay in money so that to support, so that we will be able to do something. I said, no, brother. We in diaspora are there to fight for you. He said, no, because maybe the one he would throw in will help. I said, wow, I really appreciate, I see your anger, but please calm down. Calm down a little. We living in outside Nigeria, we will see what we can do to make sure that we bring Nigeria to justice. It is a game. It's a football that we must play. It is a challenge that we must face. It's something that we must deal with. You know? Let me see whether we'll get him online, please. We need to get him online. We need to get him online. African Network, please let the line goes through.
The number you've called is not answering.
I hope they have not picked him up, because I heard that they're tapping.
Hello, sir.
You are not picking.
Sorry, sir.
Calling your line.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm back.
Don't worry. Let me call you back with the other line, please. This one is Nigeria line. Let me call you back with the other line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
As I'm calling him, our Nigerian line is now open. People may call us through the Nigerian line. If you are calling from Nigeria, call the Nigerian number you are seeing there. It's open now. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, afternoon. Okay, afternoon from that. Okay. Please, what's your name and where are you calling from? Or where are you picking from? Sorry, please.
Okay. My name is Mr. Innocent O. Onwa. I came from Abia State.
Okay.
In Amokwe, then the local government.
Thank you, Mr.
So
Onwa.
right now, yes, sir. Right now, like I'm calling you people, I just come back from it just last week. So the reason why I'm calling you people to understand the feeling that we are having concerning our side, we are not safe in the Biafran land. We are not safe. Well, where I'm resident now in Nigeria is Lagos State, in Akiso, Igondo, and Limosho local government, Lagos. That's my residence. So the reason why I call you people, we need a help from you people to let the world know what we are passing through in Biafran land. We are not safe. Military are inviting many people every day. They are taking many young men from 20, 25 years because of the Biafran tag they see on their body. Even though you carry phone, they will now collect the phone from you and open the phone. Immediately they see Biafran tag on inside, they will not collect the phone for you. They will not give you the phone back. The next thing they will do, they take you to their barracks. If they didn't take you to their barracks, they will take you to their base after punishing you like 2-3 days, they will now naked you and tell you to go back. If they see that that thing is going to involve them, is going to expose them, what they will do, they will now shot the person and bury the person, and just like that, we won't know where they take you. So now, one of the reasons why I call that you people should get the word to help us, because this one happened in my presence as I went to Biafran land last week. We, after before Umuahia, they arrested us, tell everybody to come down. Those people, they search in the checking point, they search people, some they see tag from their bodies, some they didn't see, those ones they didn't see anything from them, they push them aside. Those who see something, Biafran tag, or inside your phone, or you put it in your clothes, they will not tell you to go this side. So most of those people, they will not allow them to go anywhere. Those ones that they didn't see anything, they will tell them to move away. So from there now, they will pick all those people and go to the barracks and put them inside police army barracks. My friend they put there, he escaped. So that reason why, when he came back and explained to me what they did, I'm not happy. I start sharing tears. Now I said, okay, let me find a way to get, if there's any way we can now reach our people in Desperate. But since I could call, no way. Because I call Uche Mefo, which is Radio Biafra. It's not picking up. So luckily to me, I open my phone, see how you people are advertising and making call, chatting with many people, lawyers and other people. So now that's where I get this phone. I say, God, thank you for me to get this phone. Maybe if this Biafran radio is not working again, I may use this opportunity to tell the world what is going on and what we are passing through. If we reach our side now, we are not free. These people are not giving us any gripping space. They don't allow us to walk freely. If you reach checking point, if you Okada, you come down with your Okada, use hand and push it across the checking point. After there, you will not climb Okada. So we are not feeling free. They are tormenting us as if we are a slavery, that they are saying that we are one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. These people trying to Islamize us to make sure nothing like Igbo again. Because not only in Umuahia, they are going inside villages. They are tormenting us seriously. I can now, only that I'm not with my friend, I will now give them phone to you people to confirm what I'm saying. I just came back from last week. But
Ojus Okalo was praising what they are doing, that they are doing a very wonderful job.
Yes.
They are not touching anybody. But you are giving us a different story.
Ojus Okalo is the one. I personally, I'm from Abia State. Abia State, not so far. I from Amoko Iten. From my place to Ojus Okalo, I will use leg to cross their place. Ojus Okalo is the architect of what is going on in Abia State because of his selfish interest that he wants to go as a president in 2019. He is the one that are telling our people what they would do. Ojus Okalo and the Ibazu, I'm not saying it and this is what I'm saying now is going on here. Ojus Okalo, he is the architect of what is going in Abia State because he's under APC. He doesn't want APC to checkmate him.
What of the governor?
Governor Ibazu, because before this incident happened in Abia State, Ibazu, he is the one who moved after they went to Nando Kala make meeting. Nando Kala said no. He what he believes in Biafra. Now they move. These 5 governors moved down to Sokoto with Sultan of Sokoto. Now all of them now had a meeting. After that meeting, that's where we start having the problem in Abia State. Because they told Ibazu to move, to go and cause problem and make sure he assassinates Nando Kano. But unfortunately, the day they came, the first one, the boys that are with Nandoka, they couldn't give them chance. They're chasing. That's when the Nigerian army said that they're
but my brother, does that mean, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Does that mean that we doesn't have governors, we doesn't have, don't you people have those you guys voted in as senators, as House of Rep? Can the boys unite and write letter to them that this military are killing them?
Yes, even though there's a serious matter that are going in Nigeria now. Senator Emina Baribe, you know, he's came from, he's a senator from Okwa, local government. And they are now saying that they are accusing him, he's the one who shot Nando Kano. And they are threatening him that they are going to arrest him. The man is just laughing at them so that they will not do anything to him. Because the person he shot after the day military went to Nando Kano house, they invaded the place. That on the 14th, that's the last day he saw Nando Kano.
Yeah,
but himself, the reason.
If I may ask, is there any possibility that we will be able to get one family, those that are looking for their children, or those that their children are being killed, so that we'll be able to televise them directly? They will tell
reporting
their pen.
They are reporting, but the so-called Nigerian military are denying that they didn't kill anyone. None in the Omwa here. If I didn't make a mistake, the day they went to attack Nnamdi Kanu, they even went to a journalist, the Nigerian NUJ. They went to their office and destroy all their laptop, all their camera, everything. So the next day, the one commander from 82 Battalion, he came back and apologized to them that he is going to replace all those things. But already they have destroyed all the images and the video they are recorded in everything that are happening in Abia. But the little one that I could not say now is most of our media in the Biafran media. Some of them are holding the camera recorded on that incident. That I'm talking what happened in Umuahia.
But if I may ask you, is there any possibility for us to get access to one of them? Because all we are saying now, we are without showing something that have never come into Nigerian media, and if we get access to it, you know, then I will give, if there is any possibility, I will give you a well-secure channel where journalists communicate, where secure that Nigeria, even though no word can even break in. I will tell them to go, I will show them how it works so that they will transfer every material they have. Even any material they keep on getting, they will be saving it there and nobody will be able, even though they destroy their computer, their materials are well secured. Can you get access to any of them? Even though the families of those that lost their loved ones, or the ones that are still looking for their loved ones. If you will be able to be our helper, in the same, I may send you a transport money if you need to move around to make sure that you get access to these people so that we'll bring everything to light. Because Nigerian media doesn't want to tell this story you are telling us now.
Okay. What I'm going to do is to make a way to move down to Abia. So that's about 2 people that I'm going to contact. They are the one that are going to take me for the IPOB media. So, but only it's not going to be easy for me. They don't ask me so much as an
listen. IPOB have their own streaming platform, but I need access to families that are looking for their loved ones and families that have lost somebody.
Okay.
If you can make call,
what I'm going to do,
like those people around Nnamdi Kanu's compound that they shot, most of them have friends. if we can be able to get the access to their families, to talk to them as we are talking to you now, they should tell the world their pen direct, because they are the one that the thing touched. Can you do that thing for us?
Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do, I will, because now that I'm in Lagos, whatever that I'm going to make sure you people are going to get, I have to travel down to East back.
Okay.
So when I travel to them, I will go down to Afara Uku. But you know that for me to be going in Afara, I have to be careful because of the military. I have to be very, very careful.
You have to be careful, my brother. I feel you.
Yes. I have to be very careful because they are targeting anybody that's entering in Afaruku as enemy to the Nigeria. So
Okay.
because whoever that are going there, they are going to use that person as an scapegoat. That's what they are doing. So if even though in Afaruku now, most of the people that are staying there are no more in that place, they are moving by next village. Except by this hour, they will start coming back. So what I'm going to do, for you to confirm my information that I'm giving you, by the grace of God, I will travel. When I travel from there, I will call you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for talking to Miro African Television. God bless you, and stay tuned. I will still get back to you after the program. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.
You, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.
So, my people, you have heard it all. I will pray that God will protect him. I will call him and see how we will be able to raise funds for him to be able to travel from Lagos State back to East, even though for feeding money, to make sure that he gets that's what we need. That's, is it also that we need direct access to the victims of the killings and the assassination and everything. And even though those missing their loved ones, we need to get them and make them to understand that those we here want to help them to send out their message to the world, so that the world will be able to hear them and hear their cry. My people, I may come back today later to also with Nnamdi Carlos barrister. There is something he wants to challenge the Nnamdi Carlos, what is his name? The former governor of Abia State. Made a very bad remark about Nnamdi Kanu, and he need to address that issue on air. Please, my people, thank you for tuning in to pick up the direct message from our brother. You heard him directly that the military are still active, operating in our territory, destroying lives, molesting people, and treating them as an occupied force. And they are occupied force, really. We must do something and do it now. God bless you, my people.
I know that is why I say, that is why I talk, that is why I know, that is why I say, that is why I talk, that is why I know. Nnamdi Kanu, Mohamadike wa, Umu Biafra nine, Ayisigi Gabaniru, Donya Kaya Docha, Weli Feneme, Onye Naya Nejuno Yine, Juku Kwa Mawaja, you are whiter than snow, Oku Gibesioku, we stand where you stand, we say no secret trial. Onyinye Chukwu Ezosika Osiki Mohamadike no secret trial. Prophet young with young, Osiki, Ohamadike, Osiki Jisike, Mazi, Alifostus, Uchemofo, the deputy director of Radio Biafra in London, on Nawaki, Osiki Kusike, no any feneme, Sebide, Ejike, Goli, Osiki, one day Puje Bije, Sikwa, no any feneme, no any fenafia.
Bye bye now for my people. We'll see us later.